to delete credit card from eBay. If you wish to delete credit card from eBay, you have to follow these simple steps. First thing first, launch open ebay.com and log into your account. As logged in, what you have to do is go to My eBay from the top right hand side corner of your screen. After which, you simply want to go ahead and look for the payment section. So here, click it on once again. You'll then be taken to this field, or you could just go ahead and click on My eBay once again, or just simply tap that out. So what here you need to do is, once you are taken to My eBay section, you want to click on account from here. As you go to account, you have this payment information, right? So click on payment. In my case, I haven't added one, so you could find a list of payment method that you've added. What next you want to do is simply identify the particular card that you wish to delete, and you have to click that out. You'll see a delete or remove link next to the card. Click that out. If prompted, click the delete or remove button once again to confirm. You might also be asked to verify your identity. You want to do that by entering the PIN and all sort of things, and that way you'll be able to successfully delete credit card from eBay. That's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.